All right, there it is, my Harley Davidson. It is a 2013 Switchback Dyna Wide Glide, and it's set up with a tour pack and the window, but all that comes off real fast. That's why they call it Switchback to nothing, you know, to bar hopping or whatever you're gonna do. See, it's got the bags on it. Pretty sharp bike. Yeah, it's smooth as silk though. Really it is. It's got the sparkle in the paint there. I don't know if you can see it. Usually the sun has to be out pretty bright. And I got low miles on it. I mean, I'm probably at 10,000 now, but I ride a lot, but I ride short distances a lot. Let's turn it on and see what we got here. Let's see. Mileage here. 11,176. I've had it 2 years. So I ride about 6,000 a year. It had 0 on it whenever I had 100 miles on it when I got it. Person didn't drive it or nothing. So let's see here. I'm in neutral. Let you hear it. It's got the 103. Yeah, it shakes like a Harley. I've got the 2 into 1. It gives me a little bit more horsepower. By Hines. Got little scuff marks on it I need to get out too, huh? Got the Sasquatch. We all Sasquatch watch our outers around here. I thought it'd be cool to put one on there. Little Sasquatch sign. Let the rednecks know I'm with them all the way. Anyhow, that's about it. I'm about ready to ride. So, guys, I'm gonna turn it off, put my phone up, ride. When I get to where I'm going, I'll try to do a little bit more. I'm gonna get me some kind of maybe I'll put it down there on my crash bars so they don't. Some kind of something to hold the camera on the bike. I've got a Ram, but I haven't got it on here yet. So maybe I'll do that this evening while I'm not got nothing going on at the clubhouse. And we'll do a little bit more back there. Here it is. There you go, Ruth. There's your blup, 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 blup. All right, guys, see ya.